Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the fenders. Okay, I got this tool off of Amazon. I think it was maybe like 60 bucks. So basically this is to roll the fenders in. Obviously because the tires I'm running, which are the tires are 285 45 by 22s. The tires are rubbing against the fender. So with this tool, I'm able to bend them in. I'm not going to put in any inner fender, so I don't really care. So we're going to roll these in today. A couple tools you need is you're going to need the fender roller I got it from Amazon, but I know Eastwood has some. You're going to need a heat gun. You're going to have to heat the inside metal part. So that way when you're rolling it, you want to start off one part and kind of go your way down all the way to the other side. So it's little by steps. It's not that hard. I think the hardest part is going to be putting this thing together. Put it together, but it's really not that hard. It was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces you had to put together. So it's not really that hard. I kind of already put it where I want to, where it's kind of sits where it needs to go. So if you turn to the left, it tightens it up. If you go to the right, it loosens it up. So you want to start off slow down here. But first you want to heat up the inside. That way the metal of the fender is more what do you call it? More it softens the metal up, so it's easier to bend. So let's grab the heat gun and let's start heating it up. So you don't want to do it too much where it's going to burn your paint, so you got to do it nice and slow. Tighten it up and roll. I could tell it's rolling in. Yep. What do you guys think?
Here's the end results. It's all done. I just need to put my bed back on. But that tire is sitting right in there. Like, it's super close. Barely get my fingers through there, but I like how it came out. Super low. What do you guys think?